Now the next thing we need to do is to copy these settings onto the lookup table, that original.png file. So let's go ahead back here, and we're going to now create a timeline with this lookup table. Now, one way that we could copy this stuff over is we could just literally write down the changes and just manually make the exact same changes on this, and that would work. I mean, that'll get the job done. I'll show you maybe another option, because that's not really super elegant. But if that's all that works for you, by all means, just copy them down. But we're going to do something a little different from that. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to go first to the first timeline. And by the way, there's a bunch of ways to do this. You know, the most common shortcut involves you would click this timeline and then use the middle button to click on this timeline, which will the middle mouse button to transfer this to here. The thing is, the mouse I'm using right now doesn't actually have a middle mouse button. So I'm going to show you, because I know a lot of you guys will have the same issue where you don't even have a middle mouse button. Just a universal, simple way to copy the changes from one clip to another. So I'm going to go back to this timeline here. I'm going to go to the color. I'm going to right click on here, and I'm going to just click grab still. That's it. All right. And what we're going to do in a bit, we're going to copy this still onto the other thing. So we're going to go back here to the timelines and go to timeline 2, the one that has the original.png. And again, I'm going to go to the color correction area. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at these different choices and see one of them says apply grade. That means I'm going to apply a grade from this image onto the main clip. So let's go ahead and watch the clip, and you'll see that it changes a bit. Now notice the original, that this has actually changed a little bit. This new thing, this is the lookup table that we want. So we're almost there. We're not completely there. We just have a couple more steps to do. We're going to talk about how to do those in the next video.